Hello everyone and welcome to my etec 590 e-portfolio. This e-portfolio has been created as the capstone project to complete the requirements for my Master of Educational Technology degree at the University of British Columbia. I use the lotus flower as my metaphor. I believe the stages of the lotus growth are the appropriate way to represent my growth in the MET program. The four types of the lotus is one of the teachings in Buddhism. It means four ranks of the wisdom of learners. The four stages of the lotus growth are: Stage 1. The lotus under mire. I compare this to myself at the beginning of the MET program. Stage 2. The lotus under the water. Stage 3. The lotus at the water level. And Stage 4, the lotus above water, which I compared to myself at the end of the MET program. This pattern of growth signifies the progress from the mire of my prior experience through the waters of my experience in the MET program and into the bright sunshine of newfound knowledge. I divided my journey in the MET program into 4 stages, according to the chronological order of the courses. For example, the first 2 courses I took, which be grouped under the first state of growth, which is the lotus under mire. I recommend visiting my EP in chronological order. You can do that by navigating from the menu, by going top to bottom. In each page, there are also several pages underneath for you to visit. For example, the metaphor page, where I discuss why I use the lotus as my metaphor, also has other pages discussing the problems when growing the lotus and what makes the lotus grow well, where I compare the factors such as sun, water, soil, grower, and fertilizer to the factors that support my growth in the MET program. From this page, you can choose to go back to the metaphor page or to go straight to the home page. In each stage of growth, there are the reflections of the courses and their artifacts. For example, if you click under the lotus under mire page, you will see the etec 511 and the etec 512 in there. When you click, for example, etec 511, it will take you to that page. From there, I have 2 artifacts. You can see both of my artifacts reflections on that page. Here, I made the reflection of my scholarly essay using a book format called Tundu. The other one is a wall of text, and you will have to scroll down a bit to read all the text. In the etec 512, I have made my reflection on thought question number 1 using iMovie. I try not to use only text to represent my reflections. However, the other one here is in text format. And please remember, if you see the scroll bar on the side of my text, it means I have more text below. If you are looking for a specific course, look at the second line of the buttons. The courses are in parentheses. It will take you to the corresponding stage, and from there, you can find the course. Thanks for visiting my EP, and I hope you have a good time.